Hey guys, college fair is coming up, so I wanted to explain some of the resources that we have for you to go through the college fair with some targeted information and get the most out of your time there. Sometimes when we say the word college, half of you stop losing focus. You're like, well, that's not for me. When we say college, we really mean any post-secondary education. That includes two-year schools, trade schools, apprenticeship programs, four-year colleges, Ivy League colleges, online schools, any type of trade force training at all, certification programs, all of that stuff is included in the word college, okay? Any type of post-secondary education, and there will be people represented from all of the above options at our college fair next week. So you are juniors and seniors. So hopefully in this time in your education, you have an idea about what you want to do, maybe have ideas about what you don't want to do, and still trying to narrow down what you do want to do. And so hopefully this experience will help you gain insight, make contacts, ask questions, and find some individuals who you can contact to learn more about options that are best for you. So I'm going to explain this worksheet. You will each get this worksheet on Wednesday before you go to the college fair. I'm not going to give it to you today because, not that I'm saying you guys are irresponsible and would lose it, I'm just saying it increases the likelihood that you will have the said sheet during the college fair if we give it to you right before the college fair. So just trying to keep everybody on the straight and narrow. It's a lot going on, and so any way we can help you do that, we'd like to. So for this sheet, the first page, you're going to see picking a college type. So you are going to read through the introductions. Choosing the right school can be a difficult task. Use this chart to help you decide what might be right for you. If you're like, I've already done that, it's still not a bad idea to maybe go through the questions because you don't know what you know, you know? You don't know what you don't know until you know it. Anyway, something like that. So once you've decided on a type of school you wish to attend, we will check out the college fair to learn more about what specific colleges are available to you. It says Oklahoma here. We're not Oklahoma, but you have an idea. So start here. Do you want to enter the workforce quickly but still earn some sort of associate's degree? Okay. If you say yes to that, you're going to follow down here. Maybe a two-year school is right for you, and follow the next question. Are you interested in a wide variety of extracurricular activities and sports? Let's say, nah, that's not really for me. Do you want small classes? Yes or no? And it'll kind of give you an idea about what size of school might be the most appropriate option for you. Then on the back, it has 3 columns. Wow, if my thing's gonna work. On the back, it has 3 columns, okay? So these are open for you to ask questions. And we have smaller options for juniors and seniors because hopefully you're gonna have a better idea about your plan or have more in-depth conversations with these college representatives. So you have 3 columns here. You're gonna write the school name. Do they have the major or majors or areas of interest that you want? Do they have support services ready for you? If you're struggling with math, do they have a math tutor? Do they have resume people to help read and help you do job prep and career prep? Do they have tutoring things? Do they have free counseling? Do they have medical help? What kind of services does that school offer? Do they assist with internships and jobs for those chosen fields? Average class sizes, any extracurricular clubs, organizations, anything like that that you could get involved in. Maybe school to work things or some sort of, thing where you can get a get a job on campus? You know, what kind of opportunities are there for that? What scholarships would they offer as freshmen? Are there deadlines you need to be aware of? Admissions requirements, enrollment deadlines. So for the 3 schools, we want you to get basic information to answer those questions, or at least give you an idea about what kind of questions to ask. Also, if you're confused about what do these types of universities, what are they? What are the differences? We get that there's a lot to remember. So we made a little cheat sheet for you that kind of quick defines the different types of schools. So 4-year colleges and universities, 2-year colleges, public schools, private schools, trade schools, and then the different types of maybe trade possibilities there, types of degrees, certificate degree, associate's degree, bachelor's degree, doctorate degree, master's degree. Those 2 should be flipped, but they're there, so it's fine. But that's the different types of degrees. So if you have questions, definitely ask those representatives, ask your teacher, ask us at the counseling office, but definitely a sheet that is there for you to use, and the goal is that everybody utilizes the sheet. Again, if you would like to have a more one-on-one conversation about prep for after high school, or what am I going to do after high school, please check all of those lovely emails that are coming from Mrs. Honke, and I believe one came from myself a while back, to set up your senior exit interview with your school counselor if you're a senior. So you should have that information, set one of those up. It's a great time to talk specifically about you. So look forward to you guys having some fun at the college fair. Please take this time to make some connections, network, ask good questions, and find out information. Have a great day, guys.